Beech. Little toolboxes made in Smith Falls, Ontario. I seen these at the shop, local pawn shop. Said that's coming home. But I mean, that's like 45 bucks. Holy suffering, man. It's a friggin' nice box. And this beauty here, it's another Beech. I think he wanted 50 bucks for that one. I said, here you go, let's load her up. And this is probably my favorite. It's got a whole bunch of these drawers. I don't really have them properly loaded yet, but I like it. I like it just because it's simple. But one pile of storage. Just these little shelves on there. Now, I had those other two there for a while. And I just got this one here last week, another Beech. And I always wanted one like this. I seen Journeyman Randy had one there. 45 bucks, same thing for this one. What a beauty. And same thing, I mean, I don't have them properly loaded at all. But I don't care what I put in it. It's a nice looking box. Anyway, on with the bracing. Now you see that just because there's lots of little end pieces of 2x4 cut off. Right there's the kicker. And that goes in there between that brace we put in and the wall. So there's one of them at the top and bottom of this thing. And it's nice to use. Every little piece. Instead of throwing it out. Well, that's good. I really like that bracing. We got all those 2x4s that is a bunch of pallets, just picking up pallets, and the 2x4, there's usually 4 of them on the bottom of the pallet, and it makes for some good cheap bracing, solid bracing too. And obviously those braces there, those two are parallel, but it don't really matter. I mean, as long as it makes a triangle. You got 3 sides to the triangle right there. Got the same thing on both sides, so she's well braced.